Hello friends, welcome to your channel Market Update. We are going to cover a topic of IPOs. So I'm going to share a list of 9 upcoming IPOs for this year 2021. So before starting the video, I had a request that if you are visiting very first time to my channel, I would request you to please subscribe, share and like so that I can bring you all the genuine news related to the share market directly to you. So we all know that IPOs are a good option to investment for a better outcome. So at least 30 companies are expected to launch their IPOs in India. So let's have a look on those upcoming IPOs. So I do have 9 lists. So it is available on Grow apps as well. So we can start with Clean Science. Clean Science is basically dealing with chemicals. So let's have a look on the performance of this Clean Science. So you will have this listed from 7th July to 9th July. So you have 2 days of period to do your bidding. Minimum investment should be 14,080 rupees and price range should be 880 to 900, and lot you will get is 16 lots, and the issue size for this is 1546.62 crores. So let's have a look on the overall performance, because I do have 9 lists, so it might take time to cover up all this. So I will directly go to all the performances. So if we deal with the like revenue, so you can clearly see that we have a consideration in revenue, and it is growing day on yearly basis, and same goes for the profit. Profit is considerably increasing every year. So it's a good sign that this IPO may have a chance to get good growth. And if we talk about the weakness and the positive point of this company, so thing is weakness. Start with weakness. Pandemic already hit every business, so this might not be leave because of that. So pandemic is first. Second thing is the market already have the competitors of chemicals. But thing about this company is that this company is globally commercialized. So it's a good sign that they are dealing with the global services. So it's a good thing that you can go for this. And let's move on to our next IPO. We have GR Infra project on our next list. Same date, 7 July to 9 July, you have 2 days of bidding time. 14,076 is minimum investment. Price range would be 828 to 837. Lot size will be 17. And issue size of this share is going to be 963 crores. So let's talk about what this company is dealing with. This company is dealing with road construction. So the positive sign is that they have been in the market from past 25 years and they are sustaining from past 25 years. So it's a good sign that this company may lead again. And from past 25 years, they have been tremendous in their work and they have submitted their projects all on time. So it's a good sign. The company will stay for longer. And if we talk about the negative signs, the pandemic is the first. Second one is the cost. The cost, as much as the cost of building material grows, it will impact it. If labor cost increase, it will impact. So definitely these kind of it is kind of negative impact for this, because anyhow increasement in the investment, it will lead the company to adjust accordingly. So if we talk about the revenues, you can clearly see from March 2018 to March 2020, we can clearly see a growth, a good growth. And if we talk about the profit, same goes for the profit. Although from March 18 to 19, we have almost like 40 to 45% of growth, but in comparison to March 19 to March 20, so we have seen a slight downfall just because pandemic situation, road construction has been blocked for that period of time. But after later on, if we talk about 2021, I'm sure this company will have a good return for this 2021. So you can go for this. So let's talk about our next IPO. We have Zomato in list. So Zomato, you all know that dealing with food chain, and they are somewhere around 60. They have 60 cities covered overall in India. So it's a good sign that the company is growing at a very faster rate, and it's a good option that you can go for. But still, the date is not yet announced. No minimum investment amount is announced yet. And if we talk about the prices, nothing is given. We have only issue size, which is going to be 8,250 crore. Let's talk about the performance. Revenue generated each and every year, and you can see a huge revenue on every year. But if we talk about the profit, the way the revenue increases, same way profit decreases. So it's not a bad sign because the company is growing or revenue is generating every year, and the way the company is expanding itself, so definitely it is going to impact their profit. The day they will settle, it is sure that this company will start to earn profit as well, because it's an initial company. So initial company working in India, and they have attained a huge market. So if you talk about Delhi NCR region, they have covered almost every region of the Delhi NCR. Now they are in Agra and many more countries, many more cities in India, even though Allahabad, so many cities. And let's move on our next IPO. This one is my personal favorite, LIC. LIC, nothing data is given, but if we talk about LICs working in since 1956, and they have a huge employee base. They have somewhere around 30.53 lakhs of employees. Like they have their agents working in the field, so you can clearly imagine that every region of India should have an LIC agent. Even though in your area you might have find 3 to 4 people working as an LIC agent. And if we talk why LIC is good, because in India life insurance doesn't matter anything to anybody. But if you talk about that, okay, please have a LIC, they will listen to you. If you go for any insurance like, sir, you should have any insurance, no, they will not give you attention. But if you talk about the LIC, they will definitely hear you about it. So company have a competitor, very much competitor, but still the way the in India is dealing, nobody knows much about the insurance, and they are afraid about like insurance. They doesn't want to go for any private insurance and all. So they just rely on LIC. LIC is key factors to everyone, and they completely believe in LIC only. So if we talk about the competition, competition is tough in market, but still LIC is I think 69% of overall insurance is covered by the LIC, which is a good sign. And if we talk about the revenue and profit, so no data has been given yet. I will try to cover in my upcoming video. Let's move on our next. This is Devyani. Devyani is QSR. They are working with for they have stores like KFC, Domino's, Pizza Hut, and all. So they are covering those stores, and all those stores are working under them. So these are the quick service restaurants. So let me tell you about the QSR. QSR are those restaurants where you have already a fixed menu that they will serve you. Like if you go to Domino's, so you will get pizza and all these things. If you go for KFC, you will get non-veg and all. So these are the services type. These are the restaurants. They have stores under them. So it's a good sign, or and it's a good thing that they are growing in revenue. In 2021, we have seen a downfall, but it's not a bad sign because still. And if we talk about the profit, same goes for like we have seen for Zomato. But good thing is that they started to recovering. March 19, they have revenue of minus 97, then 107. Now they have recovered to 57. So it's a good sign. The way the Indian food system, Indian food delivery system is starting to settle now. Every stores is now in a good condition, and they are running very good. So definitely they are going to recover very soon. Now move on to our next list. If we talk about Bajaj Energy. Bajaj Energy, there is nothing data is given about this as well. And so directly we go to the profit and revenue. You can clearly see the profit, and I can show you profit as well. So we have seen a drastic downfall in their profit. So I would suggest like if you wish to apply for that, I would recommend you to please take advice of your financial advisor. Now let's move on to our next. If we are talking about Aditya Birla AMC. So there is nothing data yet. Again, 1994 the company has been founded, and if we directly talk about their revenue, it's looking good figures, and profit is also. So you can definitely go for this. That the way the company is growing, and each and every year, like you can recommend it. You can go for this. All, all right, let's move on to our next. If we talk about, we do have GoAir. GoAir, we all know the way this industry has leading. GoAir is leading this air sector, and they are working tirelessly. Like they are providing services they are providing very good services overall in the market. If you ever wish to go anywhere, everybody just look for a cheapest price. They go to Go Air first. Definitely. Like if you wish to go like book any flight, so you can try, like you can search for Go Air, and they have provided much cheaper than any other services in the market. So if we talk about the profit and revenue, you see it is growing. Profit seems to be very not good in condition, but this company has already, we have seen like Jet Airways. The company has started well, working well. They had a good revenue as well, but they shut down in month in this 2019, I think. Yeah, in 2019, say 2019, this company was not working. So the way this company is working, you should consider it, but still take advice of your financial advisor. Now let's move on to our next, which is Paytm. Since 2010, and if there's nothing data about profit and loss, so profit and revenue, but still for this, I'm sure that they do not have any kind of like negative impact in the market. They are growing faster. They are working with the banking sector as well. They started from their wallet. Now they are dealing with banking sector. They are also providing services to local markets. So and they are also kind of retail stores. They do have online retail stores just like Amazon and Flipkart. So it's a good sign. You can still check for this. And last, we do have this one is the last. So I hope this is a good sign, and you can look for these. They are the upcoming IPOs, and they will definitely a chance of a huge earning, because the way the IPO listed in the market, they we have clearly seen every each and every IPOs have a growth rate. They have been growing less. If we talk about Burger King, so Burger King, the day it listed, it reaches to a maximum of 200 plus, and the only IPO I was just suffering it is IRFC. The since I just applied it for 26 rupees, so till now I haven't seen this product with a good return. I have seen this 26.90 with the highest. So it's not a bad sign. The way IRFC is working, it's a monopoly company, and the day IRCTC started to working in or operational, fully functional in market, definitely you can see a huge impact in the market, and IFC will rise. So they do not have any competition in the market. That's why I'm just saying, always say that you can go for IRFC. Sorry for a long video. I hope you like this video. So if you like my effort, I would request you to please share, support me, like, share, and subscribe this channel, so that I can bring you all those genuine news related to the share market directly to you. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.